the day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I'll be reviewing this cutie here. What's the name of this? Milan Girl. And I think I got two others in different colors. So I got this color. It's an OM 2 3033. So the main color at the top is number 2, and then it has some 30 in it and some 33. Okay, so, and I got this from Amazon, I believe. Okay, let's take it out of the package. It was in a long plastic package like most of them do, with the stock card. Okay, she shows different ways to wear it. What's that? She's wearing hers in a ponytail. So it must have a drawstring. Let me see. Yeah, it has a drawstring. And let me show y'all. A long comb at the top. Very long comb. See? And 2 shorter combs at the back where the tag is and the drawstring. So you can make a ponytail. But I don't do that. That's too much hair for a ponytail for me. You see these different shades, the colors. And when it gets down toward here, it's lighter. Okay. And it says a full cap wig, but I'm going to wear it as a half wig with a headband. So I'm going to put it right here. And I don't have my tape measure, so I can't measure it. So y'all see how long it is on me. Okay. Oh. I got 2 pigtails today. Tuck this one under. Tuck this one under. I tied the little ball sticking out. So maybe it'll be different with 2 braids. I won't have nothing right in the middle of my head. Okay. So I attached this long comb at the crown. Braid falling. And this is very, very big head friendly. So if you wear it as a full cap, it'll fit. So I'm attaching these 2 combs, one under each braid. Now I'm going to use my bobby pin, long bobby pins, one at each ear. I'll pull the wig up close to my ear, and attach the bobby pin. Pull my ear out. Do the other side the same way. Put it close to the ear. Attach the bobby pin. Since I'm not wearing it as a full cap wig, I'm not wearing my wig grip. That's why I'm pinning this wig. So now I'm going to pull the headband up. I always put the headband on first around my neck when I'm wearing a half wig, because it's easier this way. Cover up this weft with the headband. So what that say? It's a protective style. When you wear a wig, it actually protects your own hair. It says complete style in a minute, which is true. I have to spend all day fixing hair. Let me show you what I put on wavy wigs, curly and wavy wigs, to rejuvenate the curl. The Got to Be Kinkier curling mousse. It's a white foam. It sprays on, you just work it in the hair, and that'll rejuvenate it. And then you can scrunch it. So, got me a hairstyle, yeah. All these different colors, which is new to me. Some people like to wear their hair to the front like that. I never do. I wear mine all to the back. But that's how long it is. So what is that? 14, 16 inches. So I'm going to turn around. Right side. Back. It goes on past the little broad thing. And the left side. It's nice and full, wavy. I think it's very pretty. It's very, very lightweight. It's nice and full, but it's lightweight. So it ain't heavy on my neck at all. So that's Milan Girl by Equal. It don't even say free tress. Just Equal. Usually it's free tress Equal. It's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And like I said, you can wear it as a ponytail. And it comes in a bunch of different colors right here. So that's what the card looks like. And if I wanted to, I could wear it at the hairline and flip it over, flip some over, like she got hers. But I like it like this. It's easy. Easy breezy. I'm liking this color too. All these colors. Like a reddish color here, and then this blondish. And then it got some too up in here. Okay, so I'm gonna pose with this card. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all stay in and stay safe, okay? During this shut-in time, lockdown time, quarantine time. So, y'all be blessed. Bye.